Today we are going to look at some amazing features of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which was launched previous year. You can have a look of this aesthetic watch. The design on the home screen of your any device, digital device, is very important to make it look interesting. So here we find many watch faces already pre-installed in your Galaxy Watch 4, which you can select by pressing on the screen. You get many interesting options. Also, you can customize your option with many other choices. You can change the design of the numbers, or you can change the background, etc. Also, you can customize or select the watch faces from your phone directly. With your Galaxy Watch 4, you can customize the app screen of your watch from your mobile phone. This makes it really convenient if you want some apps to be deleted or to be added, so that the watch functions as you want. Galaxy Watch 4 has a feature called camera controls. This feature allows your watch to be connected with your phone camera. One drawback of this is that the watch takes a little time to connect with the phone. But when it is connected, you can directly click a photo from your phone through your watch, even record a video or take a portrait picture. But the other options like the slow-mo video or other options which are given in the camera of the phone, that cannot be accessed through your watch. So it's kind of a cool feature, but it needs a little bit of upgradation. Call controls feature of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 allows you to make calls directly from your watch. Even select the SIM 1 or 2 if you have two kind of SIMs. Samsung has really worked upon some health-centered features and apps. Cardiogram is a third-party app which suggests you some daily regular exercises, also helps you to focus on weight loss and other benefits. Even we have other health-centered features pre-installed in the Galaxy Watch 4. When you scroll your bezel on a circular motion, you will find that there are many health-related features in the Galaxy Watch 4, like stress monitoring, blood oxygen level monitoring, blood pressure monitoring. Even you can conduct an ECG on your Watch 4. You can track your sleep from your watch and many more. So we can say that Watch 4 is quite a package of health-centered features, and it is a smartwatch, an amazing look and comfortable feel. This is all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.